Rather than worrying about internet cookies for my privacy and security, I focus other practical ways to secure my online presence. I can easily recognize between legit links and phishing or spam links received through emails and messaging apps. Before opening a suspicious link on computer, especially in email, I hover over the hypertext so that browser can display the target URL on the screen where I can easily verify the legit source. On mobile phone, I long press a suspicious link to inspect the actual URL. A URL tells a lot about the legitimacy of a target website. For example, this is a malicious email I received. Apparently, it looks like it is a legit email from Yahoo. But in fact, it is not because it was falsely imposting Yahoo and wanted to steal my Yahoo login information and eventually to hack my Yahoo account. Here the text upgrade now has a hidden malicious link. The browser displays the link on bottom left corner on desktop computer. However, on mobile, a user can easily become trap of such email. Therefore, if link is not visible, then instead of opening it, first you should always long press. I repeat, long press, and the URL will be displayed. So after inspecting the URL, I can easily conclude that email was not from official Yahoo source because the destination link is a malicious site, that is Yahoo email verification .square .site, whereas I already know that Yahoo website domain is yahoo.com. I only browse trusted websites. With passage of time and online experience, anyone can identify which are trusted websites and which are not. I carefully inspect a link before opening it. As you can see on lower left corner of the screen that this ad on Yahoo page is from googleadservices.com. Generally, it is a good idea to only browse websites with HTTPS link on Edge browser and SSL padlock in Chrome browser seen in address bar of the browser window. As you can see, padlock beside yahoo.com and youtube.com websites. However, you should not blindly trust the padlock because according to Web Consortium, the presence of the padlock icon in the Chrome only indicates the current web page was transmitted using the SSL protocol. The icon does not denote a guarantee of trustworthiness, nor it is an indication of legitimacy. An imposter site can be accessed using the SSL protocol. For example, you can see that the malicious site in our earlier example uses SSL. Therefore, you should not blindly trust the HTTPS connection or padlock in website domains. Desktop computer or laptop can provide better security than smartphones. As you can see in previous example of malicious email, that computer automatically displays the sender email address, whereas mobile phone does not display the sender email by default. I only perform trivial tasks on mobile phone such as using social media. I use my desktop computer for a serious task such as transacting an ecommerce order. I install only those applications and software came from highly trusted sources in my computer or smartphone. For example, as you can see on screen that I am using paid version of Canva Pro and Filmora Pro video editor. I have also purchased subscription of Adobe Creative Cloud. I only use licensed software because these are more secure against hacking attempts and genuine software provide regular updates. I don't open a website link if my browser warns me about it. I take the warning dialogues of browser seriously. I do not enter my banking details on apparently spam sites which open through a chain of links. I use a secure device with advanced security safeguards. I use only genuine Microsoft Windows with updated software. I prefer a secure browser such as Chrome or Microsoft Edge instead of so-called private browser. I regularly update system BIOS from Dell. When I use a public Wi-Fi hotspot such as at a restaurant or airport, I browse websites in incognito or private mode. When I have to purchase or subscribe some service or product from a new website, as an extra precautionary measure, although not needed, I first clear or delete all cookies from my browser and then enter my banking information in that specific website. I use device PIN for authentication before the browser can automatically enter passwords to log in a website. Last but not the least, I use a strong and different password for login credentials on each important website, having a mix of lower and upper class letters, numerals, and symbols. I also use two-factor or double authentications for online accounts such as Facebook or Google accounts. So, how do you secure your online presence? Please share your opinion in comments below. You can get more safety tips on this website of safety.google. You can also watch our other videos to learn more about online safety. If you like this video, consider liking it and following our social media pages.